In this video, we're exploring Communo, a platform connecting creative professionals with agencies and brands. Find the link in the description below. Communo caters to experienced freelancers specializing in marketing, design, content, strategy, and branding. Unlike broader platforms, Communo focuses solely on creative talent, ideal for marketing and advertising professionals seeking high-level projects. It's perfect for independent consultants, agencies, and small creative teams. Communo emphasizes long-term collaborations over short gigs, helping freelancers and agencies build partnerships and secure ongoing, quality work. Its unique collaborative model lets freelancers and agencies team up for larger projects or work independently. Freelancers access a curated list of agencies and brands seeking top-tier talent for strategic work. Communo also provides project management, invoicing, and communication tools. Its membership model offers exclusive opportunities and an elite creative network. This benefits experienced freelancers ready for high-stakes, rewarding projects and collaboration with top professionals. Communo isn't just about finding work, it's about building your brand within a community of experts. If you're a seasoned creative professional seeking high-level projects with agencies and brands, Communo is worth exploring. Check the description for more details.